Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on RedNote app from mobile. So first, head over to your RedNote application. Just go down to the bottom and you can see this plus button where it is red. So simply just click on this one and then you have all of your videos and also your photos. But up in the top, we can simply just go to video and we can also record one video down. In the bottom, you can see we have camera, but I'm simply just going to choose a video that I already have made. So I'm simply just going to click here and then I'm going to click on next and then you have it right here. So down in the button, we can add some effect, text, stickers, and we can even click on more and then we can trim the video right here and add a filter and many more things as simply as that. But simply just click on next once you have done that, and also you can add some music up in the top, and then from here we can select a cover, we can add a title, we can add a description, and also we can add some topics. You can add some hashtags, we can tag a people, add text, we can make a vote, we can mark a location, and we can make it public. As you see, just that, you can see all of these options right here. I'm just going to make it private, click on post right here, and then you can see it. We have it right here, as easy as that. So this is actually it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.